Hello everyone. If you're trying to remotely connect to a Linux machine using AnyDesk and see the error message, display server not support, then this is the right video for you. I'll show you how to fix this issue completely so you can get back to work without interruptions. First, let's assume that AnyDesk is already installed on my Ubuntu system. This is my ID. Now, I'm going to use another computer to connect to this AnyDesk ID, and let's see what happens. In some cases, you may encounter the error. The session has ended. Status: display server not supported. This issue is quite common on newer versions of Ubuntu, Debian, and other Debian-based systems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and effectively. Now let's go back to my Ubuntu machine to check how to fix this issue. First, I'll open the terminal and type the following command to check the session type being used. When I run this command, the system returns Wayland, which means my machine is using Wayland as the display server instead of X11, and this is the cause of the connection error on AnyDesk. To use AnyDesk without encountering errors, you need to switch to X11 instead of Wayland. To do this, you can log out and select X11 as the display server when logging back in. At this point, don't log in just yet. Hover over the gear icon in the lower right corner of your login screen. Next, select Ubuntu on Xorg instead of the default system option. Then, you can go ahead and log into your system . Once you've logged in, go ahead and reopen AnyDesk. Now, switch to another machine and try connecting again to see if the issue has been fixed. So we've successfully fixed the connection issue with AnyDesk on Ubuntu. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.